In this video, we will show you how to set up the port forwarding on your internet router to control your Skylink Internet Hub outside of your Wi-Fi network. First, log into your Internet Hub. Then on the home page of your Internet Hub, click on Settings. Then click on Network Settings. Write down the DDNS name and make sure the DDNS status shows up as OK. If it is not OK, make sure your router is connected to the internet. Next, we will set up on your smartphone. Launch the Skylink app and tap on Settings. Then tap on Network Settings. Select the zone you want to control outside your Wi-Fi network. And enter the DDNS name in the IP address field. And tap on Save. Next, we will show you how to set up the port forwarding for your Internet Hub. Setting up the port forwarding is different for each router. First, we will show you how to find a step-by-step guide to set up the port forward for your specific router. And then we will show you an example of setting up the port forwarding with a D-Link router. Before we begin, write down your router's brand, model number, IP address, and the default username and password, which you can find on the back of the router. Let's get started. Open up a browser and go to portforward.com. Scroll down and click on View a full listing of our supported routers. And select the brand of your router from the list. The router being used in this video is D-Link. Click the Close link to move to the next page. Next, select the model of your router. At the top of the page, click on Default Guide. Follow the step-by-step guide on how to set up the port forwarding on your specific router. We will now show you an example on how to set up the port forwarding on a D-Link router using the default guide from portforward.com. Type the IP address of your router and hit Enter. A login page should appear. Enter the username and password for your router and click the Login button. Inside your router, click the Advanced tab. Then on the menu to the left, click on Port Forwarding. Put a check mark on the Enable box by clicking the empty checkbox. Then give your port a name. Next, enter your IP address of your Skylink Internet Hub. And select the IP address of the Internet Hub from the drop-down menu. Enter the port number of your Skylink Internet Hub under TCP and UDP. Make sure the schedule is set to Always and the inbound filter is set to Allow All. Then click on Save Settings. Wait 15 seconds and click the Continue button. Now you can access and control your Internet Hub from outside your Wi-Fi network.